Hi there, this is Miss McDonald with the weekly agenda for November 24th and 25th for Algebra 2. So this week, it's obviously a short week with the Thanksgiving holiday coming up. So your assignment for the week is a polynomials review pixel art activity. So there is not a Delta Math this week and there's not a quiz. So you can come here and you can click the link. So when you open it, it'll look a little different on my screen because I have the teacher view, but on your side, there'll be like a box or a link to the spreadsheet. So I'm going to open it this way. But you should be able to open this spreadsheet. Now, when you guys first open this spreadsheet, you may not see all of these questions. I've noticed that sometimes there's an error message, and it may look like this, where it says, warning, some formulas are trying to send and receive data. You want to hit this button that says allow access. So if you see a screen that looks like this, that has like REF, that means the formulas are not displaying correctly, which is not a big deal. You just need to hit allow access and you should be able to see them. So it should look like this when it loads. And then what you're going to be doing is you're going to be answering each question. You can do these on paper and then type in the final answer over here in the green column. So like, for example, this first question is identify the degree. So you have two polynomials here that are being subtracted. So you want to do that subtraction. And then the degree is the largest exponent. So again, in the answer, what's the largest exponent? I'm going to go ahead and tell you it's 3. The largest exponent when you do this subtraction is going to be 3. So you hit 3 or type in 3, and then you do need to type in like the number, not spell it out, and then hit enter. And you'll notice something appears over here in this space. And as you type in more answers, more is going to appear over here. So you want to go through, answer all these questions, and you should have a completed image over here on the left side. So that's how the activity works. If we go back to the announcements, that is the main activity for the week because I also want to make sure you have time to complete any missing assignments from the last 6 weeks. So that includes previous Delta Maths and also any quizzes. So if you missed any quizzes, you need to make those up with Miss Lee in class on Monday or Tuesday. Also, Math Plaza time. Math Plaza time is optional this week. So there's only 2 days of class. So it's optional this week. You are welcome to earn extra time. So if you want to like kind of log some extra time so you don't have to do as much in the last few weeks of school, you're welcome to do that. Or if you need to make up time. So maybe there was one week that you didn't get all 30 minutes or you didn't do it at all or whatever it might be. This would also be a good time to make up any time. So this Monday and Tuesday, you can make up any Math Plaza time. If we look at the agenda or the course calendar, these are all the assignments from the last 6 weeks, and this is linked right down here where it says Algebra 2 course calendar. You can also go back just when you click announcements, and you can see all the announcements from previous weeks. But basically here is an overview of everything that you should have completed the last 6 weeks. Make sure that you have all this done. If you're missing anything, or if you didn't turn in an ACT, or you're missing one, or whatever it might be, make sure you get that made up, turn it into Miss Lee, and kind of get everything done before the Thanksgiving holiday. I think that's everything. If you have any questions, please let Miss Lee know, and I hope you have a restful Thanksgiving break.